The canal water dispute was solved through the good offices of World Bank. The site for Islamabad was selected in 1960. Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto inaugurated the new education policy in 1974. Bombay came to British possession through dowry. The High Courts in India were established under the Act of 1861. BM's real name was Abida Bano. Quaid-e-Azam visited NWFP in his lifetime, twice. Band Matharam was composed in Bengal. Who was the president of Muslim League in 1932? Aziz Ahmed. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali was a student at Cambridge's college called Trinity. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915. NWFP got the status of the governor's province in 1937. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan retired from service in 1876. The Fraza movement was founded by Haji Shariatullah. The first central office of Muslim League was established in Lucknow. All India Muslim Students Federation was founded at Aligarh. Quaid-e-Azam reached Pakistan on August 7, 1947. The famous book Hayat-e-Javed was written on the life of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. How many times Mahmud invaded India? 17. Who is the author of the book titled Last Days of Quaid? Col. Elahi Bakhshair. The oldest regional language of Pakistan is Sindhi. Pakistan joined non-aligned movement at Bandung in 1979. Under the Constitution of 1956, which language was declared as the national language? Urdu and Bengali. Under which constitution, bicameralism was introduced in Pakistan? 1973. When was the first SAARC conference held? ANS. 1985. Qutbuddin Aibak died during the game of ANS. Polo. Khanjez Khan came to India during the reign of Iltutmish. Razia Sultana married with Altunia. Ibn Battuta visited Indian in 14th century. The color of the marble of Taj Mahal is white. Aurangzeb Alamgir had 3 sons. Tadar Mal was the revenue minister of ANS. Akbar. Which of the European nations came first to South Asia? Portuguese. Lahore Resolution was presented by Fazl-ul Haq. Sikha Ndar Mirza declared martial law on October 1958. Pakistan People's Party was founded in 1967. Akbar's tomb is situated at Sikandra. William Hawkins secured many trade facilities for the English by Emperor Jahangir. At the time of his coronation at Kalanaur, the age of Akbar was 13.5. Wakar-ul Mulk died in 1917. Who took the oath of Governor-General of Pakistan from Quaid-e-Azam? Justice Mian Abdul Rashid. When Pakistan gave an application to the United Nations to become its member, which country opposed it? Afghanistan. Who was the author of My India Years? Lord Hardinge Sanghata movement was started by Dr. Monnier. The book Verdict on India was written by Beverley Nicholas. Famous Wardha scheme was about education. Raja Dair's wife name is Rani Bai. Raja Dair wife committed suicide. Razia Sultana was the daughter of Iltutmish. Ibn Battuta was a Moorish. Fateh-pur Sikri was declared the capital of his kingdom by Akbar. The chain of justice was hanged for the convenience of people for quick justice by Jahangir. British India Company was granted permission of trade with India by Jahangir. The first British Governor-General of India was Warren Hastings. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan retired from the British service as judge. During Hijrat movement, the Muslims of India migrated to Afghanistan. All India National Congress participated in the second round table conference. Sharif report highlighted the atrocities of Congress ministries. The president of the First Constituent Assembly at the time of its dissolution was Maulvi Tamizuddin. Pakistan-China boundary dispute was settled during the government of General Ayub Khan. During the Tashkent Agreement, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto.